My name is Maria Fama. I'm a published poet. I'm the author of 7 books of poetry. My new book is coming out this spring. It's called Other Nations. I'm doing the first line, and then other people will come in and write a line of poetry, and we'll have at the end a beautiful Fumo Family Library poem for Poetry Month, this month of April. We lift our voices on the fresh breezes of spring.
Enough to want your heart to sing. Skip and jump and smell the fresh air.
Dance on leaves and laughter share.
This is fun. Wow. Okay, I did it.
Can you read it?
It says, feel the sun kiss your skin.
The grass tickles your toes as the breeze ruffles your hair.
Souls bloom, flowers in the sun, smiles shining, life has begun.
My mania dissolves in your stare, and I wilt into my sadness. Restored, revived, reborn, you reach the peace that aches.
Flowers bloom, bees suck the nectar.
As we wait for spring to give us something spectacular.
Spring is coming. I love spring.
In the city of Philadelphia, the people make beautiful window boxes.
And the beautiful urban birds sing to announce that spring is here.
The sound of happy people is in the air.
Children's laughter vibrates soundly here and there.
Pollen flies with a hasty gust. Children have faith, trust, and a little bit of pixie dust.
Pollen penetrates my gentle nostrils with that ever-delectable favorite feeling.
Trash, community, cleanup. We're going to make a park. Join our civic association.
Don't bash, pick up, non-wanky.
Concrete fields where kids run and play, laugh and scream, what a beautiful day.
Flash of wings, the sound of birdsong welcomes spring.
I'm breathing in and I'm breathing out. The air let flourish my thoughts.
Spring is coming and it brings its peaceful sigh to end all wars.
Children are playing in the warm air, bugs fly high like the spirits of the people. Spring is here.
Caterpillar turns to butterflies. The flowers are blooming and the leaves are growing. Bees hatching and we are playing.
It's time of the week to see my yoga friends. It's Monday.
I love my yoga. It keeps me limber and flexible.
Our library is a refuge and oasis in the dried up land where one can drink the knowledge of ancient times to the present of online touch.
I love the breeze outside when I'm walking. It makes me feel beautiful.
I am so glad that summer is coming.
It is the same, yes, this is so cool. It is just like the keyword, I'm having so much fun.
Today the wind blew so hot, I thought it would sear my soul, and I wondered where, oh where, are the little hands of spring?
Crochet, crochet, yarn in the ball. Wind up, poncho so tall.
Springtime chirps and Broad Street hums. Ukulele plucks and strums. An Underwood I bang away, clack and thwack as if on drums.
I discovered double daffodils yesterday, and I have never felt more emotions about a flower before this.
Spring in South Philly is just as pretty as anywhere else. I love the flowering trees.
Spring and the smell of dirt and sweat and life returning, so we begin again.
The library is a crazy place in the spring.
Spring brings fun times and good weather, families with smiling faces.
The sun rises, the sun sets, a bird flies, a bird nests, all in preparation.
For the first time in forever, I am happy. The flowers bring me joy. I am at peace with myself.
The gray skies turn bright and the light makes it all better. Bitterness away from me.
With the cool nights and the beautiful butterflies.
The city streets
are renewed by people welcoming spring.
Zephyrs in the trees, people showing knees.
Cherry blossoms blooming in the trees, spring breeze and green leaves.
Here's the typewriter mechanic typing away. How great.
In the summer I fly, in the summer I read and fly higher.
Here comes the rain, the leaves are gone. Goodbye, fall, winter, spring is born.
Spring makes everyone smile.
With pollen fingers and grass-stained knees.
And cherry tree blossoms that fill the streets with pink-colored rain.
Spring has sprung and summer has come. Now it's time to have some fun.
The world wearily casts off its wintry mantle and warmly welcomes the advent of spring.
Spring is my favorite time of year. Hot sun on my face and a cold beer. Spring is here, the water is clear, the boats are in, and the fun will begin.
Spring is the water, spring is the boat, spring is the jade green planet before summer, breaking the black universe, and two lips smiling.
The spring is in the air, the message is quite clear. Everything is renewed, that's all that we can do.
Yellow dandelions sprouting from the ground. Migrating birds flying all around.
Animals having their offspring.
Birds outside gliding and perching. Around me are busy buzzing bees. Brushing my face is the cool spring breeze. Butterflies blooming from the trees.
Flowers pollinated by the bees.
Birds splashing in the rain. I wish I could do the same. On the park's big oak tree,
there was a loud buzzing bee,
chirping loudly through the sky,
gliding freely through the sky.
In a quick blink of an eye,
one sees a bumblebee fly,
playing, laughing, having fun. Birds chirping in the sun. When the warm wind blows,
we feel it through our spring clothes.
Flowers sprout in early spring
that make children want to sing.
Signs of spring knocking on nature's door.
Jazz in the spring, nothing finer in the city hot days.
Dreams and desires make the best pillow to sleep on.
I don't have Facebook, but I have Twitter. I'm kinda mangy, but I don't litter.
Flowers blooming and filling the air with the fragrance of hope.